Bonjour mes amis. I have come back to make a little film because my last film was very short. I have to apologize for that, but it was unbelievably cold. And this stand here, very cold indeed. -13, it was too cold for filming. I was in danger of losing my hand. But luckily, as you know from all the other films, hang on, I will just put the strap on so I do not drop the camera. From all the other films, you know I am a brave man, very brave indeed. And I've said my hand is okay. Look, it all worked. All the fingers work like that. Very good. Hello. Anyway, now I am on the Swiss chairlift. It's very nice. A little bit cold still. Only -9 now, so not so bad, not so bad. But I've been doing the Swiss Black Run, which is here. I'm gonna show you. It is. Look, there are some people on it skiing down. It's very nice. Very nice run, very fast, quite steep, and no very people, very quiet, very nice indeed. Anyway, I'm now heading up the top for the Swiss. I will then go down. I'm gonna get the Solier. I'm gonna get the Solier. How you say? Cable car. Oui. And then I think it's time for a chocolate show because I'm getting a bit cold with the cold lips and the little cold face. Look, it's a bit numb. A little bit numb there. And the very numb lips like that. Just a little bit. Anyway, so I think the chocolate show will help a lot with this problem. So I'm gonna have that. So I will sign off now, and I think this is for sure my last film of the holiday, of this part of holiday, stage 2. I may make more film in the Africa. En 2 jours. Oui, c'est impossible. Aujourd'hui, les montagnes. En 2 jours, l'Afrique avec le cheetah et le zebra. No, giraffe. Like that, they walk like this, and the swimming things, and the sharkies, and the jellyfish, and the other fierce creatures of the sea. It's going to be fantastic. So that is stage 3. I'm looking forward to that. Now I will sign off and say au revoir to all mes amis. Je suis l'homme avec les pantalons